everyone. Let's start solving today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is container with most water. You are given an integer array height of length n. There are n vertical lines drawn such that the two endpoints of the ith line are I comma 0 and I comma height of I. Find two lines that together with x-axis form a container such that the container contains the most water. Return the maximum amount of water a container can store. Okay. Here, if you see the example, I'll explain here. Yeah. So basically, see, I explained in the video, but the audio didn't record, so I'm explaining again. So if you see this, this is our example. The heights are 1, 8, 6, 2, 5, 4, 8, 7. Okay. So you want to consider two lines and find the area between that. Okay, and you have to maximize that area basically. Okay, that is why here if you see here the question here you are given with the max area. Okay, now you have to maximize area. So what will the brute force approach? It will be consider all the pairs like a, let's say consider this as a b c d e f g h I. You have to consider a b, a c, a d, a e, a f, a g, a h, a I. Again from b to c, b to d, b e, b f, b g, b h, b I. Similarly for c and all the pairs, which will be what will the time complexity, which will be n squared, but in the question in the constraint it is given n to the power 5. So this solution will not work for us. Okay, so this will be the brute force. And how we will find? Anyway, see, you have to select two lines, two heights. Okay, and find the area between that. How you will find is minimum of these two heights. Let's say I'm considering a and e. What will be the my area? It will be this. Okay, that means I have to find the minimum of these two heights, and that will be my height. And what will be my base? Base will be, okay, base will be my j minus I. That means here if we 3, 3 minus 0. So we get the rectangle. Okay, rectangle we get. What is the formula for rectangle? Area is base into height. So we have height is the minimum of these two, and base is j minus I. So we got our formula. Now see, instead of brute force, which approach we can use? Okay, what you can use is basically here if you see. Okay, now the same thing, same example we will consider. Okay, and let's say this was a b c d e f g h I. So what we will do is, we know this is our formula, minimum of height of a comma height of g. Instead of ag I'll take I j and j minus I. Okay, I want to maximize this. Okay, so I am finding minimum of this height. That means I want this to be maximum values so that I can get the multiplication as maximum. Even though also j minus I is also the factor. Okay, still I will try to find the maximum of this. So what we will do, we will point our one point. We are going to use the two pointer approach. So we will start I from this and j from end. So what we will do, let's say first what we will do, we will find the area starting. What is my I is 0, my j is n minus 1, that is a comma I. Okay, so we have to find the area between that, which is 8. If you see, my area is, this is 8, distance is 8. Okay, and height is 1. So that is why area is 8. Now what we will do, if you move this I to forward, our area will again decrease. Okay, it will be the minimum of these two. Let's say I have this as in 2 height and this has 1. So I'll get again as minimum height. So I want to maximize the height. That is why what I will do is, whichever is the minimum, from there I will move forward. Okay, from these two lines, which is the minimum, I'll move forward and I'll go here. Now I have B and I. So I'll find the area of B and I. Again, I will move forward from here because this is the minimum. So now I have B and H. Similarly, we will move forward, and this will definitely not to n square. Okay, we are using two pointer approach. My I will never be greater than j. Okay, so either it will be from this side or this side in the worst case, or it will come to the this middle point or somewhere here. Depends on which is the minimum. So what will be my complexity? It will be O of n equivalent to. Okay, so now let's start coding. Is first we will take int n is equal to height dot length, and take int max, which will be initially 0. We'll need two pointer I and j, which will be 0 not 0. My I will be 0 and my j will be n minus 1, and while my I is less than j and my I should be less than n, and my j should be greater than 0. Okay, here what I will do, my max will be mat dot, as we want to maximize the area, mat dot max of what, max comma minimum. Now our formula to find the area is mat dot minimum of height of I comma height of j, height of j, okay, into what, this will be my height, what will be my base will be my j minus I. Okay, and this is how we found the max. Now we have to move front or back based on what, based on the value of height. Height of my I, if it is less than my height of j, what we'll do, we will move forward, that is I plus plus, to get the maximum value. Now else what we will go, we will go back, j minus minus, and yes, after once the loop is completed, that means I minus I, once both will come together, just one front one back, that time our loop will stop and we will return our max value. And let's run this. Yes, you can see accepted. Let's submit. Yeah, you can see the solution is accepted. So in this way we can solve this question using the two pointer approach. Okay, using two pointer approach, this one is I and J. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, and stay updated. Thank you.